Hello and welcome back to Standard Scholars. In this video, we are going to learn about factorizing quadratics, which is a big concept in elementary algebra. A quadratic is a polynomial that looks like ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are just numbers. There are three methods in factorizing quadratics. Method 1 is by factors. Method 2 is by grouping. And method 3 is by the use of coefficients table. In this video, we are going to look at the first method, which is by factors. Let us look at how to factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6 and how the above table will guide us whether the factors are positive or negative. In this method, we need to find factors of constant c, which is positive 6 in this example. So factors of 6 are 1 times 6, and 2 times 3. Looking at the above table, the constant c, which is 6, is positive, and b, which is 5, is also positive. Hence, both factors are positive. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, which is the constant c, and 2 plus 3 equals to 5, which is the coefficient of x, b. One times 6 is equal to 6, which is the coefficient c, and 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, which is not the coefficient of x in this question. So our factors will be 2 and 3. X plus n and x plus m are two factors, where n is equal to positive 2 and m is equal to positive 3. Hence, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. Let us look at another example. X squared plus 7x plus 6. In this question, constant C is positive 6 and B, which is the coefficient of x, is positive 7. Again, both our factors will be positive as per written in the table. 6 can be written as a product of 2 and 3 and 1 and 6. But 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Hence, the factors are 1 and 6. So, x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals to x plus 1 into x into x plus 6. So now we learned an easy way of factorizing quadratics by using the above table, by determining the sign of coefficient of x, which is b, and the constant c. The following are some questions which you can practice. Remember, you can always rewatch this video few times, and doing some of the practice problems will help to all sink in. As always, thank you for watching Standout Scholars, and see you next time. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click on bell notification icon for some useful educational related stuff from Standout Scholars. Thank you.